Admitting your feelings to someone can be daunting due to the potential for embarrassment or rejection. But with practice and thoughtful preparation, you can approach the conversation confidently. Start by exuding self assurance through your body language, like smiling, and stay calm throughout the discussion. It's best to keep your expression of feeling simple and free of pressure, allowing the other person time to process your words without expecting an immediate response. Choose an appropriate, private moment and setting to talk in person, as this makes the exchange feel more genuine. Remember to manage your expectations. Not everyone will reciprocate your feelings, and that's okay. What matters is expressing your truth with grace. If they don't feel the same way, respond graciously to keep the door open for future possibilities.